Previously, in our last episode...
Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop for this wet ass pussy.
And just ahead...
They want to sit and look at me because I'm so, like a beauty pageant.
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of two cats. G here from OG Creations. I hope all of you had an amazing and safe Halloween evening.
This is gonna be such a fun night. This night sucks!
So I'm curious.
Are you though?
What did you do last night? Did you turn off your front porch light so you didn't have to worry about those trick-or-treaters and then you could pop on your favorite movie and eat all the candy that you had purchased? Did you go to a fun party?
Did you drink awesome shooters and listen to awesome music and then just sit around and soak up each other's awesomeness?
Did anything supernatural happen?
You give us a sure sign that you can hear my voice. Please.
You know how you spell us, right? You spell us, U.S. I just picked that up. Has anyone ever thought of that? I just picked that up. I'm a very handsome. They want to sit and look at me because I'm so, like a beauty pageant.
Down in the comments section,
Tell me about it.
let me know what you did last night. Hell, just leave a fucking emoji. I don't care. Just leave a message below.
You need some help.
Today is Dia de los Muertos. If you're celebrating this beautiful holiday, I hope those who have passed feel your love and know that your memories are filled with times shared with them. I love the traditions surrounding Dia de los Muertos, celebrating death and life together by preparing their favorite foods and their favorite drinks, creating beautiful altars with marigolds in their photos. It's such a lovely way to remember those who have passed. My inspiration for today's video is from another one of the traditions, the beautiful, overly detailed skull face paintings or ornate sugar skulls left as offerings. To create this vibrant piece, I am going to repurpose a neon-colored geode shirt I had left in inventory. I'll use the fan fold technique, cover the whole thing in raven black dye, and after a few days, we're going to be left with a colorful skeleton ready for any celebration. Let's get started. So you know those times that you think you're trying to be helpful, and then you do it, and you're like, fuck, why was I so stupid? This was one of those times. Here I was showing you how easy it is to remove an iron-on patch. I put that directly on my plastic work table. Yep, now I've got a big old dent in it. It's awesome. Anyway, to remove an iron-on patch, all you do is you take a dry cloth, put it directly on that patch, and then with your iron on high, leave it to set directly on it for anywhere from 15 to 20 seconds. Then you can easily pull that patch off.
On the pad. That's right.
Now you may be left with a little bit of the adhesive from that iron-on patch, but just put your cloth back on there and place your iron on for another 10 to 15 seconds and slowly pull back the fabric. It should take care of most of it. You can try that a couple more times if you have any residue left, but after a couple of washes, that will be gone. So let's start folding this shirt. Here I'm using the neon rain puddle tee that I created from a previous collection, and I'll link that above so you can see how I made that. Holding both sleeves in one hand, I fold the shirt in half. I work to match up the hem and the seams of the neck and the sleeve. I then smooth out all of the wrinkles. Starting at the hem, I then fan fold the shirt upwards. I secure the pleats with multiple rubber bands. Once tied, I soak the shirt in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. It is then set aside for 24 hours until it's practically dry. On my dye racks, Raven Black dye is applied to the entire shirt. I then set the shirt aside to cure for 48 hours in a warm space, about 70 degrees. I rinsed the tea in cold water and then slowly increased the temperature to hot to remove any additional soda ash. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, it was added to my Etsy store, ready to purchase. You can purchase this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. So I loved the original shirt, but this is even better. Those neon shades popping through adds so much color, while that black skeleton ribcage totally grounds the shirt. It's like a raver skeleton. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the section below. I love responding to everyone, plus it really does help with the algorithm for new viewers to find my channel. So comment away or just leave an emoji, I don't care. Help me out. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.